Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I conducted a poll and I asked you all what I should create a mural of in my garage. And I gave 4 options of things I either love to draw or are typical for me to create art of. So the choices were my cows, whom I've been spending a lot of time with, abstract art, which I've also been drawing a lot of recently, scenic landscape. I haven't painted many scenic landscapes recently, but I'd love to get back to it soon. And the last option I gave was flowers. I always love how my flowers come out and I always wish that I painted more of them, so I wanted to see if I could work them in there somehow, maybe. Anyway, the results of the poll are in. I received 228 of your votes, which is amazing. And the winner is... my cows! This is actually perfect and what I really wanted to paint. That's why I put it as the first option. Anyway, I also got these comments from 2 of you. They go, cows can be the main subject, a cool landscape as the background, flowers equals details. I actually really love that. That is a great idea. The other comment is, after seeing that ridiculous dress, I'm gonna have to say that floral work is top-notch gorgeous and you should roll with flowers. If you follow my channel, you might remember this dress that I painted. It was a blank white dress and I painted a bunch of flowers on it and I loved the result. Thank you so much for that comment. So yeah, I think I'll definitely be working in some flowers in the mural. And I have this vision of like a plain black background, cows centerpiece, and flowers just all over, surrounding them. So I'll be creating a mural of our cows, Emma, Melona, Lily, and Minnie in our garage, but there is one huge problem. Our garage looks like this. So I need to clean it out, and I'm also thinking of turning it into a little gym of some sort so I can get my workout on.
Did you get your tickets? To what? The gun show?
So please wish me luck, and I'm gonna get started now. Okay, so here we have the little gym / workout space that I've created. There's still some mess in this garage, but it's so much clearer than it was before. This wall here is where I want to create the mural, so that's what I'll do. I want to start off with a perfect square. 10. Si te quieres divertir. Okay. Ah. Should be a perfect square. Now what I'm going to do is outline it with this Poshka. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is start filling it in. I'm going to be using black paint. Okay, so this is the black square. This is going to be the background for my cow mural painting. And I just need to let it dry before I start anything on it.
One day later.
All right, so I am in my comfy sweatpants right now. Over here, let me show you guys my little setup. Bought some paint that I needed yesterday. Have my chair that I got off Amazon. Have a pretty good outline. Didn't really get all the details I wanted. I won't really know until I start painting what I'm working with as far as paint or as far as details and all that. I accidentally poured way too much white paint here. Those are the colors I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna work left to right. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I am downloading Spotify right now because I had taken it off. Oh, looks like it's downloaded. Got my brushes, my coffee, and this is going to be my little workstation.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a
Okay, y'all, so I'm super happy with how I knocked this entire thing out in one night. Last night was really good. I felt good. I had my music on. I was listening to the new Bad Bunny album. I had my little adult beverage going on. But yeah, it's looking super cute so far. I have a lot of details to get through. So we'll see how it goes and I'll keep you guys updated.
I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford.
Almost finished. So the last thing I want to do is add this flexible frame that I have left over from when I transformed my room. This is really cool because it is basically a frame for wall projects. And it has this sticky backing that allows you to put it basically anywhere you want. Look how pretty that is. I don't know, I'm just doing things, y'all. I feel like I have a lot of ideas for things and sometimes I don't do them because I get scared that I'm doing too much, but who cares?
He don't give an F about nothing.
Okay, so I'm gonna stick this all around. So what I wanna make sure I do is create a 45-degree angle. Ooh, I hope I have enough. That looks so cute. I have more. Whew. Okay, so here is the full mural of my cows with the flower background. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so in this video I went over how this started as a poll asking you guys what I should paint in my garage. The majority of the votes were for my cows, so I did that, and I also incorporated flowers. I do have all of this to organize in my garage, so that's what I will be doing over the next few weeks. I am going to take it a little bit chill, but I am getting the urge to paint around. I think the wall here would look super cool if I did some of my typical line work doodles. Let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.